Hi everyone and welcome to Yazenkom channel. Our topic today is about demulsifier. Let's find out what's a demulsifier and what are the different types of demulsifiers and how does it works.
Now how demulsifier works. A demulsifier is a chemical compound designed to break emulsions. Emulsions occur when fine droplets of one liquid are dispersed in another liquid, forming a system that is difficult to separate. Demulsifiers disrupt the forces that stabilize the emulsion, allowing the two immiscible liquids to separate. Now how about emulsion? Emulsion is a dispersion of droplets of one liquid in another liquid with which it is immiscible, for example, oil and water.
The mechanism of demulsifier.
The mechanism by which demulsifiers work involves a combination of physical and chemical processes.
Demulsifiers typically reduce the stability of the emulsion by 1. Disruption of stabilizing forces. 2. Destabilization. 3. Coalescence of droplets. 4. Phase separation.
Number 1. Disruption of stabilizing forces. Disruption of stabilizing forces. Emulsions are stabilized by surfactants or other stabilizing agents. Demulsifiers reduce the effectiveness of these stabilizing forces, such as van der Waals forces, electrostatic repulsion, hydrogen bonding.
Second, destabilization. Demulsifiers may change the interfacial tension between the oil and water phases. By reducing this tension, the emulsion becomes unstable and the droplets aggregate, leading to phase separation.
Third mechanism, coalescence of droplets. As the interfacial film around the dispersed droplets is weakened, the droplets can coalesce, forming larger droplets. This enhances the separation of water and oil.
Next is phase separation. Once the emulsion has been destabilized, the water droplets coalesce and separate from the oil phase, allowing for the recovery of oil and removal of water.
Demulsifiers can be classified based on their chemical composition and application. The main types of demulsifiers are number 1 is non-ionic demulsifiers, and these do not carry any charge and are typically made from polymers, fatty acid derivatives, or alcohol-based compounds. This type effective in breaking emulsions where no charge stabilization is involved. This type widely used in the petroleum industry, especially for breaking oil-water emulsions in crude oil processing.
Second type is anionic demulsifiers. This type contain negatively charged groups, such as sulfonates, phosphates, or carboxylates. It's primarily used in systems where water phase is negatively charged, providing better destabilization. This type is used in applications like wastewater treatment, where negatively charged particles stabilize the emulsion.
The third type is cationic demulsifiers. This type contain positively charged groups, like quaternary ammonium compounds. This type F demulsifier is effective in systems where the emulsion is stabilized by anionic surfactants or where the water phase is negatively charged. It's typically used in treating emulsions formed with high salinity or in heavy crude oil recovery.
Another type is amphoteric demulsifiers. These demulsifiers can carry both positive and negative charges depending on the pH of the environment. It's used when emulsions exhibit both anionic and cationic characteristics. This type is suitable for complex emulsions that can vary in their stability based on changes in environmental conditions.
Do you want to know what factors affecting demulsifier performance? First is type of emulsion, water and oil emulsions or oil and water emulsions. Second is concentration of emulsifier, also the temperature. The higher temperatures can lower the viscosity and interfacial tension, which may enhance the performance of demulsifiers. Another thing is salinity and pH. High salinity or extreme pH levels can influence the behavior of the demulsifier and the stability of the emulsion. Also, demulsifier dosage. The amount of demulsifier used is critical for achieving optimal separation.
I'm glad you reached to this level. Please don't forget to give like to this video if you find it useful. Join us at Yazenkom channel to receive our latest videos. Thank you and have a great day.